Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related, I got you covered. Today's video, I recently made a haul on Chanel.com. I purchased the LES Beige Healthy Glow Bronzing Cream, but something's been catching my eye for a while since it launched, and I finally ordered it along with this, and that is the new Baume Essentiel Perlescent highlighter. Now, I already have this in the transparent one, in the sculpting golden light. This one was new, caught my eye. It looks really beautiful, and I'm going to show you. So this retails for $45. It's pricey, I know. A little bit goes a long way. And they usually just, this particular product, the Baume Essentiel, gives you the most beautiful, dewy glow. Like one of my top, and you know I love highlighters, but Baume Essentiel is like top 3. It might even be number 1. Obviously, if I keep getting them every single time they come out. Anyways, so yeah, so we're gonna try this one on. I will show you swatches of the other ones, like just to kind of compare, and yeah, so timestamps will be down below. Let's cut into swatches because I know that's why you're here, and we're gonna come back and try it on. And here is the pearlescent. So I'm gonna swatch that for you. That's what it looks like. It's got a clear base. It has like the most fine, minute silver like sparkle in it, but you can't even tell. So that's pearlescent. And I'll swatch for comparison sculpting next to it, so you can see the difference. That's sculpting and that's pearlescent. And just for fun, transparent, which is the clear shade. Maybe I'll swatch it next to this one so you can kind of see. They both pick up the light very nicely, but because the pearlescent has that little silver in it, it just catches the light a little bit better. But that's what they look like. Alright, so you see the swatch? Very, very beautiful. Very different from what I've expected. I originally, when I saw it, I was like, oh, this is probably going to be closer to sculpting, which is this one. And this is like one of their first ones I came out with the clear one. Like, you see how the light catches it? So I was like, ah, maybe it'll be like that. No, this one's different. And I'll swatch here because the light is on, just to kind of give you an idea of how they compare to each other. I would almost say, oh no, I was going to say that the sculpting is a little more light catching, but this one does well on its own as well. This one sort of reminds me a little bit of the clear one, the transparent, but because it has like these little silver flecks in it, it just gives it a different element of something. So I'm going to take it. Now I like to work off of this part and kind of rub my finger in there because I like particular, what's the word I'm looking for? Like a spot application. So I have that. Look at that. So pretty. And I'm just going to apply it to the high points of my face. Now I have more color right now than I typically do. So that was another thing I wanted to try because I'm more tan now. I wanted to see if it was going to be sort of like icy on my skin, but I'm not seeing that. I'm just seeing like a nice, dewy, juicy glow. And the thing about the Baume Essentiel is that they never really dry down, but they don't stay super wet either. Like your cheek will stay this glowy all day. And now if you're a makeup artist, these are so good to have in your kit because they look good on anybody, any age, especially if you're dealing with a woman that has, and I hate this word, but more mature skin, an older woman, this just looks amazing on their skin, like amazing. See? And I like to take it like just around like this part of my eye. And then I'm going to take some down the center of my nose. Let's go into some natural light so you can see it a little bit better. Okay, I'm in front of the window, and this is what it looks like. So the little like sparkles in there, and it's very fine, catch the light very nicely. Like it looks like that, like you've been outside, or like that nice just dewy glow. That's it down the center of my nose and on the other side of my cheek. It's really pretty. Also, before I forget, this is them in light. So this one, kind of like towards my middle knuckle, is the pearlescent, and this one here that you're seeing is the sculpting. Alright, so it's a really pretty glow, and like I said, it stays like that all day. That's why I love these. Now, like I said, these are definitely a splurge. Like $45 for a highlighter it's a lot. But I will say that the Baume Essentiel is one of the most like beautiful, it is a luxurious highlighter, but it is one that like, it's a staple in my kit, and it's one that if I just want to have like a certain just glow, I'll reach for this. I have to sneeze. Wait, sorry, I had to sneeze. It was like tickling my nose. So yes, it's a splurge. You don't have to get it. You don't need to get it, but it's definitely one that you will not be disappointed with. Like, it's one of my favorite highlighters, hands down. And this color is really pretty. It is different from the sculpting one, but it's gorgeous. They each have like their own little individual, like, beautiful glow to them. So yeah, and I know I'm probably a little bit biased because I just personally love these particular highlighters. Like they're one of my favorites. So I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.